A Miami federal judge has blocked a controversial new Florida law that effectively barred doctors from talking to their patients about guns and gun safety in their homes. More court battles are ahead, to be sure. We're joined live by Dr. Stuart Himmelstein, a member of the Palm Beach County Medical Society. Sir, thank you for being with us and your reaction to the news about this injunction.
I think that the judge issued a very well-reasoned opinion, and one that recognizes the importance of preserving speech between a doctor and a patient.
Talk about how critically important you feel this is as a doctor to be able to have these kind of conversations. The judge said she thought that the law chilled free speech. As a doctor, why do you feel it was so crucial to push on this as hard as you all have?
Well, I think it's a precedent of allowing the government to get a foot in the door between the doctor and the patient.
Doctor, guns rights advocates led by the NRA argue, though, that this allows for a push into their right to privacy, and that's really nobody's business, and that a doctor is putting a foot in the door when it comes to their Second Amendment rights. How do you counter that argument, which will continue to be part of this legal battle?
That this case has nothing to do with denying someone the right to own a weapon.
Doctor, talk about a little bit the perspective you have when you're talking to people and about how vital it is to talk about gun safety and the kind of statistics we're seeing about guns, gun violence, especially as it may involve children in the home, and why it was so vital in your mind to continue to talk about that. Give us a perspective from where you sit.
Well, I think you know, the child, a house with children needs to have guns stored safely. As an internist who primarily deals with adults and older people, I'm more concerned as well, along with the pediatric concern, with being able to establish whether someone is safe at home, you know, in the situation of abusive situations or domestic violence, or a geriatric patient who's becoming violent as they become senile, or things like that. It's very important to be able to establish a means as well as an intent.
Dr. Stuart Himmelstein, a member of the Palm Beach County Medical Society, we appreciate you offering us your perspective this day on a story and a case that will go on. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.